Guys, 2013 Mercedes-Benz SLK 350. Show you how to do the rear brakes. Alright. This one has EPB, so we're gonna use the scanner. We could use the scanner and not use the scanner. So I have videos of how to do it without the scanner. I'm gonna put it in the description. That video applies for any EPB. Alright. So this is not. It's not that crazy, okay? This is the EPB, the motor, electronic parking brake. So let's get it. It's gonna be 13. All right, let's get it. I'm just gonna do the brake pads, all right? I already did the deactivate the parking brake, the EPB, with the computer. I'm gonna show you that after this. Probably I edit it and put it first before I do this, you know. But anyways, now we're gonna remove a caliper. This is gonna be 13. Grab some needle pliers to hold this one. Okay, so we can lose this one and this one here. But now, before I get into that, I'm just gonna pry it with a pry bar. This one has a sensor though. Okay, I'm gonna pry with the pry bar. This. That's how you push the piston. Once you deactivate the EPV, Gucci. Now we'll remove these bolts. Now we'll remove the caliper. Let's remove this sensor. Or cut it. Either way. Like so. Alright. Now we'll remove the brake pads, like so. The same here. We brush it, wire brush the hardware. If you don't wanna use the hardware that comes with the brake pads. There you go. Alright. I'll be back. I'm gonna clean all this. Alright, so we're gonna install the brake pads. Put some grease in there. Put it like this. Alright, do the same on the other side. But the other side, the pad is gonna have the sensor there. So let me show you how to put this. If I have the hands. Well, let me mount this first, okay? Alright, that's better. Then we're gonna grab this. You see that hole? Pulse. I'm gonna put it like that, right there. No diddy, okay? Just like that, pop. Now I'm gonna put some grease here too. And here. Okay, and then I'm gonna mount the caliper. And this thing is gonna go through here. The sensor is gonna go through here. Alright. Okay. Just gonna connect it. Put it there. Now push it in. Gucci. That's pretty much it. Put everything back. Alright, let me show you how to do it with a computer. Right now it's in assembly mode. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to do it both ways, assembly and disassembly. I'm gonna turn this on. Could be one or It's one click. All right. Then we go to the computer. Now here in the computer, where everything is beautiful, pause to read. All right. So what we're gonna do, it says F4 to deactivate assembly position. So we're gonna press F4, and you're gonna hear this sound. Hear this sound from the brake, from the EPB. F4. You heard that? That means your brake rotors are good to go. I mean, your rear brakes. Know what I'm saying? Now to assembly position, you press F3. How to get there with the edge tool? Let's see. Let's go all the way to the back. Learning process, automatic detection. Okay, here we go. Special functions, EPB, Europe, Benz, automatic detection, 2013 SLK 350. It's talking to the computer. Now here, learning processes, move to assembly position. Now here is where you put it in assembly position or deactivate the assembly position, like I showed you earlier, like a minute ago. That's pretty much it with this baby, all right? If you don't have the scanner, I got this scanner back in 2022, August 2nd. But if you don't have a scanner, I have a video how to do the rear brakes EPB without the scanner. I'm gonna put it in the description box so you can learn how to do that. All right? Thank you for watching. You know, it's me, Astu, Buru. Catch me in the next one. Holla at your boy. Shout outs to everybody. Love you. Yeah. No Diddy.